I'm finna make a green screen. I'm making it out of PVC pipe. Brought these from the Home Depot. I think they like 10 feet or something like that. Brought 4 on. I hope that's enough. And these two are already done cut them. I ain't even take no proper measurement. I just lined it up from the ceiling to the floor to see how long I want it. Then just made a cut one arm and then cut the other on the same length. So that's gonna be running vertical, up and down. This is my side piece that I'm cutting right here. Cutting this with a PVC pipe cutter. Like I said, I didn't take proper measurements, but I just lined it up, you know what I'm saying, in the space that I know I want to fill up. Made them all, and I'm cutting two of them, the top and the bottom right now. Cut this. Right tools make the job simple, you know what I'm saying? Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Get out of there. I'm gonna cut 2 of those. Okay, I stuck this frame together. I wound up cutting one more horizontal line, horizontal pipe. So make it a little bit more sturdy. And now I'm gonna attach it to the wall. I'm gonna attach it to the wall. About, let me see. Let's say about 3 to 4 inches out from the wall. Boom, boom on all 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope it's sturdy enough. What I got right here is a green screen with green material. And you can see I got a whole bunch of it. This thing folded like 5 or 6 times, man. I got extra material. So what I'm gonna do, I'll make it sort of like a picture frame. Cause the PVC pipe is in a square, sort of like a square. It ain't an exact square, but it ain't a rectangle either. Something like a square. I'm finna put this triangle in the corners of it from the back, sort of like a picture frame. So it slide right up in there on each corner. Finna sew that down. Show you. Yeah. Got the machine loading with green thread. You know. So everything work proper when you're trying to do effect. Right colors. Yeah, small fabric. Wind up cutting it. Some type of way. Line this up. Drop the needle on that baby. Backspace. Run. Corner right here. Just gotta take the pins out. See, I got a corner right here now. That's the corner. Could have did a little bit, need a little rushing, you know what I'm saying? That's what you see. That's the corner where it fit. Check. This how it's gonna fit right in the corner. Boom. That's the back frame. I don't have a tape measure right now, so I'm finna measure it just with the length of the frame. Boom. So I sew the other corner right here. Boom. So it fit in there like that. I sewed the park it on the other side. Not the left yet. I'm gonna have to put some scraps. Put some scraps right here. I figured out. I sold the third corner in there. It's him from the back. Just gotta drop the fourth one. It's huge. I think I like it. That gonna stretch out nice. Show you when I finish in a minute. Alright. This is it from the back. Sold all corners on, 4 corners. I just gotta put some scraps on it to make it. It's tight already, but I want it to be, you know what I'm saying, tighter from the, ain't no scraps on the side of it. Like from right here. Ain't no scraps on the side right there, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put them on there. Came out nice. He scratched out real nice. The extra material, I didn't even cut that off because I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it. I'm gonna make it run. I'm gonna advance this. But right now, I'm just finna set this up like this. You know what I'm saying? This is the back side. Got these Velcro strips right here. Finna put them on the PVC pipe. Try this. I'm just trying to try this. Try the arrow. That's what it is. I tried one already. I did one. And it seemed like it came good and it held right. So I'm gonna do it all the way down. That's what I'm gonna do. All the way down. Put a few on. I don't know how many I need. Put them so far. It's like it held good. Another one right here. Then you put this right here. Work. You gonna see what happened. I done put it up. It's nice and long. Large, I can do whatever I want to do. And the extra, it's running on the floor. I gotta get all the wrinkles up out of it. The Velcro strips, I ain't fasten those yet to pull it tighter. But it look nice. It look very, very, very nice. And you see that window back there? Gotta put a piece of cardboard to cover that up. See through that light. Came out nice though. You see it from back